Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create laundromat pro forma financial projections using my business plan and financial model. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And after that, we'll dive into the financial model. I'll show you how to use it, what's in it, and once we're done with it, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, let's get started. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the financial model or the Excel file that's included in my Laundromat Pro Forma financial projection model. So if and when, like I said, if and when you do buy the business plan template for the Laundromat, it comes with a Word document, which is this right here. And I cover the Word document in a separate video, but it also comes with the Excel file that's a financial model that I've customized for the laundromat industry. All right. So, like I said, if you when you do buy it and you open up the Excel template, it does look like this, and you're going to have four tabs: your information tab, your projections tab, and your projections tab. Well, your information tab right here. This is where you're going to enter all your information. So, any place in the darker colored cells, and I'm going to go over it in just a minute. That's where you can go ahead and make your changes. And once you make those changes, your projection tab, your profit and loss tab, and your income statement tab will update accordingly. So once you make your changes, and like I said, we're going to go over this in just a second, you make these changes here. Your projection tab, which is just a summary tab, will all be updated for you. Your profit and loss statements for the next 12 months, broken up quarterly, be updated as well. And then your income statement will also be updated. So as you change this information here, your financials will update in the Excel file, and then you just need to copy and paste the different financial statements into your Word document for your business plan. All right, so the way the information page is broken up is you start with your daily sales, and so you can go ahead and you can change your variable cost here, number of customers that you can be servicing at your laundromat daily here, and then the price per customer you would change here. So any of these darker color cells, you would update this for your revenues, and like I said, everything will update accordingly. And then you've got this information right here, which is going to tell you what your revenues are and your net profits for the first year. The next section is going to be your labor, how much money you want to pay yourself, and then the number of employees, the rate of pay. Make sure when you do the rate of pay, you include any kind of benefits that you're going to be paying out, and as also taxes. And this is how many hours they're going to be working on a monthly basis. So they're going to work full time, 172, part time, well, whatever their hourly, the number of hours they're going to work a month part time, you'd put here. Next section is going to be your startup cost. The first two lines right here is how you're going to fund your organization, whether it's going to be equity investment or a loan. And then down here is going to be your, your different buckets that you're going to put your money in. Biggest thing for your startup costs is these two lines right here should add up to here. So you're going to take this 200,000 or whatever your startup money is, and you're going to divvy it up into various segments. Here's your monthly fixed cost, your rent, your utilities, your insurance, your accounting and advertising, other, and so on. All of this right here will add up here, and this information will again pull into your profit and loss statements as well as your pro forma income statement. Miscellaneous information, whatever your tax rate is going to be, you put it right there. And then we've got our growth rates. We've got our growth rates for the next 5 years. You can change the growth rates for revenues here. And then your cost, you can go ahead and change the growth rate for your cost here. And then the final segment is going to be your loan information. This loan amount right here will be pulled from the section right here. So whatever dollar amount you put in for a loan, it'll automatically populate here. You put your interest rate, you put your term, and then the monthly payment will go ahead and pull into your pro forma income statement as well as your profit and loss, but just keep in mind only your principal is going. Only your interest is going to be pulled into that. Per GAAP guidelines. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.